A rāhui has been placed over Wharekaho Beach in the Coromandel after a dead sperm whale washed ashore on Saturday morning. The whale was found in Matapaua Bay and has been named Puhiwau Rangi by Ngāti Hei, which refers to the name of the whenua adjacent to the bay. Ngāti Hei Matua Joe Davis is with us now from Matapaua Bay. Tēnā koe Matua, thank you for joining us today. What's happened since Saturday when the whale came ashore?
Oh, there's been a lot of, we've had a few hui, and of course, we're working with our whanaunga Ngāti Hei. They're the specialists in this area. We've come to the conclusion, we came to the decision that Ngāti Hei has we will extract the natural resources out of this taonga. That the whale has already passed. Is past, well, it died a natural death. We don't know what it is yet, but we've decided rather than bury it, that we would take advantage of the taonga that, once again, Tangaroa has presented to us, and we feel that the whale could live or should live on and leave its legacy through waiata, motete, haka, and of course for our artists, our toi Māori, our carvers, to have the opportunity to be able to carve the koiwi of this taonga that's before us at this time.
And this is incredibly significant because of the respect shown. How has Ngāti Hei and Hauraki iwi been working with the Department of Conservation to secure the site?
Yeah, the department has been very it's been very helpful and supporting us. We're actually leading this kaupapa. It's a traditional, customary kaupapa for us, and the department has come alongside to support us, and as our treaty partner, come alongside us and support us in any way they can. They've been a great help. We have security and all that around here because of the contamination in the water with the hinu and the toto of the whale, and they've provided security and guidance in terms of health and safety for around for the public, and to keep the place safe for those who are going to get involved in the extraction of these resources, and for the public to be as safe as well. We've just come out of a big hui on how we're going to go about doing that. A great plan to go there, calling on the experiences of Ngāti Hei and our whanaunga. And the sun has come out. It's beautiful. The roimata has cleared away, and now we hope to get on with the actual mahi itself.
Matua, what have emotions been like for those on the ground at Matapaua Bay?
It's been very mixed, very spiritual, at the same time, tangi atu, and of course the acknowledgement of the huge tohu that's come to land within our rohe. Firstly at Matapaua, and then of course I requested for the taonga to be brought over here to Wharekaho, where security is better, safety is better, and of course where we have other whales buried here on our whenua here as well. So so the emotions have been quite high, and I think it's brought a lot of people peace as well. With the confusion and that set in and all of this sort of thing. So generally we're all smiles at the moment, and everyone's happy. We've all had a good kai, all had a great karakia together, and now we're moving forward on this kaupapa.